There's a lot of hate out there for authors who are using AI for one reason or another. A lot of it coming from a very small minority, but it can add up. And so in this video, I want to give you a couple of safe spaces for you to talk about AI to your heart's content. And there are a lot of thriving communities with thousands of members of other authors like yourself who are using AI to one degree or another. And I will be saving the best for last, obviously, so be sure to stick around for that. The first is AI writing for authors. This Facebook group was one of the very first that started. It has over 5,000 members so far, and it's where I got started in my first community, basically, around AI. And it's one of the best places, and certainly there's a reason this is the first one on my list, because it has been a fantastic group for learning about AI, for interacting with people about AI, for commiserating when someone leaves a very dumb comment about their use of AI. All of that can be found here in the AI Writing for Authors Facebook group, which I highly recommend you check out. Second, and very similar, is the AI Art for Authors Facebook group, which is another Facebook group that's in the same vein as the writing one, but obviously for art as well. This is a great place to come if you want to discuss art for book covers or comic books, or just for concept art and things like that. If you want to learn more about Midjourney or DALL-E 3 or whatever you want to do, this is the place to come for that. It's got about 3.4 thousand members, and overall a great place to be. The third one is a little different, and it's called Future Fiction Academy. I've mentioned them before because Elizabeth Ann West and Steph Pajonas and some of the others that run Future Fiction Academy, they are like the advanced users of AI, and Future Fiction Academy is a place for you to go to learn more about AI. And believe me, this is advanced stuff. This is where you push the AI to the absolute limits and see exactly what it is absolutely capable of. And they have basically a new lab, which is an in-person event every single day, sometimes more than once a day. And it is a paid option, so keep that in mind. But like any paid option, you are going to be getting the best of the best in this group, the people that are actually serious about writing with AI. You also get access to their Discord. You would get access to Rexy, which is their own internal AI creator, AI writing tool. And so, which is pretty good. I'll be making more videos about Rexy in the future. But overall, great place to go and really learn how to use AI and get really good at using AI as a skill. With that, let's go over to a couple of Discord communities if you are rather into Discord. The first that I want to spotlight is PseudoRight's own Discord community. PseudoRight, of course, is one of the largest businesses based around creating a tool for fiction authors, for helping fiction authors write with AI. That's one of the most prominent tools out there. They've got a lot of different stuff. I have a lot of videos about PseudoRight, but they also have a thriving community of their own. If you are a PseudoRight subscriber, then this is definitely a place you want to be, because you will learn lots of cool tricks. You'll find some of the best plugins and all kinds of things that you can find within this PseudoRight community. So definitely one I recommend you check out. It will also be the best place for you to get information about upcoming updates and things like that, or beta testing opportunities and all of those things. Along those lines is the Novel Crafter community. Novel Crafter is, of course, the other major software that's a relatively newer, but is a pretty decent software that I've done a couple of videos on now. In fact, you can see the announcement right here of one of them. Novel Crafter is a great place, and they also have a thriving Discord community. So if you want to learn more about Novel Crafter or just talk AI in general, this is a great place to go. I noticed a couple of people have come to me saying that a few things about Novel Crafter were a little bit confusing. It is a little bit more of an advanced software than PseudoRight, but capable of a lot more as well. So if you want to master that software, this is definitely a place you can go, so you can ask any questions or hangups that you have, get support. All of those things can be done here in Discord. Next, of course, we have the Nerdy Novelist community, and it's called the Nerdy Novelists, plural, and we have over 1,000 members in here, and it's definitely one of the more thriving Discord communities when it comes to AI writing. Not making comparisons, of course, but of course I'm biased. But the Nerdy Novelists is a great Discord community with lots of information. We have discussions about PseudoRight, Novelcrafter, Rexy from Future Fiction Academy. We've got discussions about AI news, and of course all of my latest videos and all of those things get posted here. There's places to interact with those and discuss those, as well as talking like general publishing advice and all of those things. So a really great place for you to get your toes wet into an AI community and really start to learn and get going. Which leads me to my last and final AI community that I wanted to highlight, and that is the AI Storytellers Premium Facebook group. There are a little over 300 members in this group. Now, this is only accessible through my membership, which is the AI Storyteller Premium membership. And right now, that membership is closed for enrollment. So I'm mentioning this now, but it will be open again in the future. If you want to know when that membership is open again, you can, of course, go to the link that I will have down below, where you will be able to sign up for a wait list and be notified immediately when that is available. And as well as getting on the wait list, you will also have the chance to get a couple of emails from me with a Google Doc that has all of my prompts in it, the prompts that I use in these YouTube videos. Anytime I have a new YouTube video where I show off a prompt, that goes in this Google Doc. So you'll get that for free, as well as a couple of other goodies and notifications and special events and things like that that happen. All will be through that waiting list. So be sure to sign up for the waiting list and you'll be able to join this community. It's a lot more of an intimate community, as well as, once again, since it's part of a paid community, you know that these people are serious and really trying to learn what they can. And so even though this is a much smaller group, these are the people you want to be rubbing shoulders with, basically. So those were all of the different communities that I know of. If you know of any other great AI communities, be sure to let me know in the comments. I'd love to see them. I'd love to join them. And I'll see you in the next video.